March the 27th on a Monday, 12 o'clock noon. Came up Friday, been working Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now Monday. Paul took off and Cody came up here, help us today. Finished up all the tin on his roof and got siding all the way down that side over there. Starting to shape up.
This is what it took to build this.
Oh no. Holy cow. What a guy. You also had to build the framework for the porch here and the landing right back in there before we could start putting up any tin or anything. But this sure looks good having all this cover. This tin went fast, but it was a heck of a job. We'll continue on the next tape. This tape is coming to an end. Shaping up. We just need to fill in that little hole right up in there after we finish this wall right here. And we'll continue this on the next tape. Coming right along, boys. Paul and Cody said they saw a big water moccasin in the water right down there from up on top of the roof a while ago. A mausoleum? That's what Paul said it was. There's going to be a mausoleum.